my love, I'll tell you a tale of a boy and girl and their love story, and how he loved her oh so much, and all the charms she did possess. Now this did happen so once upon a time, when things are not so complex, and how he worshiped the ground she walked, but when he looked in her eyes, he became obsessed. My love is like a storybook story, but it's as real as the feelings I feel. My love is like a storybook story, but it's as real as the feelings I feel. It's as real as the feelings I feel. His love was stronger than the power so dark a prince would have within his keeping. His spells to weave and steal her heart within her breast, but only sleeping. My love is like a storybook story, but it's as real as the feelings I feel. My love is like a storybook story, but it's as real as the feelings I feel. It's as real as the feelings I feel. He said, don't you know I love you oh so much? Lay my heart at the foot of your dress. She said, don't you know that storybook loves always have a happy ending? Then he swooped her up just like in the books, and on his stallion they rode away. My love is like a storybook story, but it's as real as the feelings I feel. My love is like a storybook story, but it's as real as the feelings I feel. It's as real as the feelings I feel.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah. Some people call me a junkie, 'cause I'm low down all the time. I just feel happy, I feel good all the time. Well, some people say I use a needle. Some people say I sniff cocaine, but when I get that feeling, I like my sweet highway. Yeah, well, you can Say goodbye to whiskey. Say goodbye to gin. I just want that rush up. I just want to feel high again. Oh, hit me, man, hit me. Oh, yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, Lady Mary. Well, some people, they crave chicken. Some folks, they like their porterhouse steak. When I get loaded, low down loaded, I like my sweet heroin. Yeah. Some people call me a junkie, 'cause I get high all the time. I just feel happy. I feel good all the time. One more time, baby, now come on. You know, some people, they call me a junkie. I'll be laughing and scratching everything. You know, when I get loaded, yeah, I get loaded. I'm my mind, yeah. Now, there is a rose in Spanish Harlem. A red rose up in Spanish Harlem. It is a special one. It only comes out when the moon is on the run and all the stars are gleaming. It's growing right in the street, right up through the concrete, soft and sweet and gleaming. There is a rose in Spanish Harlem. Up in Spanish Harlem. It starts a fire there, and then I lose control, and then I have to beg your pardon. I'm going to pick that rose and watch her as she grows in my garden. There is a rose in Spanish Harlem. A red rose up in Spanish Harlem. A special one. It's never seen the sun. It only comes out when the moon is on the run and all the stars are gleaming. dreaming. It's growing right through the street, right up through the concrete, soft and sweet and dreamy. There is a rose in Spanish Harlem, up in Spanish Harlem. There is a rose in Spanish Harlem. La, la, la.